Hi there, welcome to my new tutorial. I'm Rahul Mondal, expert in Google 4 server-side tracking, Google's conversion tracking, Facebook API conversion tracking, LinkedIn tracking. So if you are looking for all of this service, contact me. You'll get my email and WhatsApp number in the description. So let's get started. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect or how to install this GTM code on your WordPress website. So how you can do that? Here you have see there is an instruction, paste this code as hi in the head, and body tag also you have to paste, but I'm gonna use a standard way the most of the people use and the expert use that way. Go to your backend of your WordPress website, click on plugins, you have to add new plugins. The plugin name is Google Tag Manager. So search Google Tag Manager and you will get this GTM for WP. Activate this. Now you can see GTM for WP. Just click on this setting option. Now here you have to put this code. So go to your Google Tag Manager, click on here, and you can copy it from here. The best practice is copy it from this code. Copy this GTM ID and go to the backend and just paste here, and make sure that it is 1, and then save this. Now it has been saved. Now let's see whether this GTM has been connected with this website or not. So how to check whether the GTM is connected or not? So for that, go to your website and you have to download an extension, Tag Assistant Legacy. You can see Tag Assistant Legacy. I have already added to my Chrome. So go to your website and click on this. This is the icon of that Tag Assistant Legacy extension. Click on enable, then click on any button or any page. Then you will see here whether it is connected or not. You can see now this GTM code GTM KB 6DM. This GTM ID and this GTM ID is same, so it has been connected properly. So thank you so much for watching. In the next tutorial I'll show you how to connect your Facebook pixel to your website through Google Tag Manager, which is in standard way. Thank you so much.